Welcome to this short video on managing IT contractors using SERENA Business Managers, also known as SBM. The IT Contractor Management Process app brings governance and visibility into your organization's processes for managing contract workers. The Process app gives hiring managers, HR managers, and financial approvers a place to coordinate approvals and managing contracts. You can use the IT Contractor Management Process as is, or you can integrate it with other HR processes, such as employee onboarding or HR employee processing. These process apps can be ones that you are already using, or you can use process apps SERENA has developed. When a need for a contractor is determined, a contractor request is submitted, typically by the hiring manager. Here is a newly submitted request for a web developer. As you can see, the request contains information about the project where the contractor is needed, as well as the expected hourly rate, duration, and planned start date. The skills required and business justifications are also captured. IT Contractor Management Process app helps manage your staffing vendors, centralizing the available vendors and their contact information in one location. This helps simplify your ability to choose from approved vendors. This one feature helped the company reduce the number of vendors they dealt with from over 200 to around 50. Once the basic needs are captured, the request is sent for financial approval. In this example, we see 3 levels of approval are required before the request can continue. You can easily see that the first level of approval was completed by Chad in finance, but the second and third levels have not. With SBM's functionality, Kathy does not have to worry about tracking down Bill and Carmen for approvals. Instead, she can use the notifications and alert them to their pending approval. Once they approve, SBM tracks the responses. Once the contractor position has been approved, the request moves into the recruitment phase. At this point, the hiring manager owns the request until a contractor is found. At this point, the process moves into the contract management phase. The contract can be attached directly to this request and sent to the vendor. Or you can integrate with a document or signature management system that allows a contractor to sign the electronic document directly. Any contract revisions can be tracked in the item until the contract is accepted. You can link contractor management to your current employee onboarding app to track that the new contractor is set up correctly. Once the contractor is working, the item remains in the active state until the contract expires. You can fine-tune this process by adding escalations to alert managers when contracts are about to expire. For example, if the contract is going to expire in 2 weeks, the manager receives an informational email alerting to the upcoming end of contract. The contractor's terms can be renewed without any last-minute rush to get the contract renewed. On completion, you can gather the necessary metrics so that you can gather data on these contracts using SBM reporting features. And this concludes the brief introduction to the IT Contractor Management Process app.